Test, test, test. Let me know how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding. Test, test, test. Alright, cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Let me send this link out and we'll go ahead and get started. What's going on, y'all? Those just joined the live. We have not entered anything yet. These are just trade ideas. We have not entered anything yet. We got a few setups we're looking at, though. Let me know if the audio is still sounding good, y'all. But right now, we're looking at possible GU sales. We're just looking to see if we can BCR and maintain 3210 as resistance. If so, we're looking for sales going to the downside. So about to see what this next 15 looks like right here. Like always, y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. When we looking at any charts, drop in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Again, we do got some holidays going on today, and then we have 10 a.m. news, and then it is Monday, so we're simply just waiting for volume and the confirmations to be met. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today as well. Make sure to be on the lookout for that. But make sure to explore the playlist, y'all. All playlists are up to date. But we're about to see what this next 5 and 15 looks like. This is again why we're doing breakout trade, y'all. We always want to wait for the BCR. If we would have FOMO and rushed that setup, we just took a loss for no reason. So we're about to see if we got anything going on right now. Price ain't really doing nothing too crazy last night compared to the past few weeks where we had some moves happen Sunday night. We're gonna see if we can still get this set up though. So with gold, like we talked about during the Sunday chart analysis, if y'all did not watch the Sunday chart analysis yet, make sure to check that out after the live is over. Like I always tell y'all, the Sunday chart analysis goes over not just what we see price doing Sunday night going into Monday, but what we see price doing throughout the entire week. So with gold, we're either looking for price to BCR maintain 46.76 as support, or if it rejects, we're going to look for sales that we can BCR 45.84 as resistance. So that's what we're looking for with gold right here. And then we're looking at possible GU sales. We can look for sales here at 32.25 as well. So we're either gonna look for a retest there, or if we can BCR 32.10. So that's kind of what we're looking for right now. GJ ends up retracing still, so we're gonna let GJ retrace. Let me fix the alert. Since price wants to keep pushing up, bring the alert right there. But yeah, this week's gonna definitely be interesting. The NAS100 NQ is just kind of consolidating at this lower right here. Here's the link too, by the way. I'm gonna put it on my store in a free Telegram later. But here's the link too, by the way, y'all, for the second channel for those that want to look about watch videos about stocks and crypto. Gonna be posting weekly videos on that channel. But again, y'all, we're just chilling, patiently waiting. About to see what this next 15 looks like. We do have a bunch of holidays today on top of it being a Monday, so like always, we don't see anything between now and 6 a.m. We're gonna see what New York sessions got in store. Well, we still want to be on the charts to see what's going on. But as we can see, prices just kind of chilling right now. And that's completely fine. That's completely fine. We're going to let the markets do what the market's going to do. We're going to let the markets do what the market's going to do. Let's see what this next 15 looks like. Yeah, prices are rejected. We could look for a sell setup here as well. And then GJ's still pushing up also, so we'll let GJ push up also. GU and GJ are rejecting, so we're just gonna let them reject. So that's why we're just paying attention to gold. Gold's the only one that's closing into a level we can look for a setup on. NAS100 is retracing as well. So again, y'all, we're gonna be looking to see if we can BCR and maintain 46.76 as support, and so we can look for buys. That's what we're looking at right now. If y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. When we looking at any charts, drop in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting. We're just chilling, patiently waiting. But yeah, that's what GU and GJ are doing. So we're gonna let them do their thing. Again, as far as today, we do have 10 AM USD news, and then we got a bunch of holidays today. So Let's see what this next 5 minute looks like. All right, let's see if we can hold this right here. I got to update because this is not how we ended. Well, it's kind of similar, but pip wise and win rate wise, that is not how we ended last quarter. I have to update that. This is how we ended quarter one, 58 and 9. Just ended what you call it? What's the other one? This is how we ended last month, 19 and 3. So I got to update that. But first things first, let's see if gold is going to hold this level right here. We're looking for a retest. As long as price doesn't take off, we're going to look for a retest right here. Got a new video dropping for y'all later on today as well. Make sure to be on the lookout for that. But like always, y'all got any questions, drop in the chat. When we look at any charts, drop in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram, playmaker_way. TikTok, _playmakerway_. Yeah, so I like this setup right here. Let's see what this next 5 minute looks like. So let's see if we can hold. Because the last few times we haven't held, so we're gonna see if we can hold right here. See what we can hold right here, y'all. New 5 minute about to pop up. Let's see if we can hold this right here. We got some nice gold buys last week. I got a few trade breakdowns lined up for y'all this week. One of them's going to be a gold trade breakdown, but the one today will not be. The one today will be breaking down the GU setup we took on Friday with the members. We took the setup on Friday. Also ride the momentum from the 8:30 news last week on Friday as well. So yeah, that in today's video we're gonna be breaking that down. A new 5 minute popped up. Let's see what we're looking like right here. So we haven't retested yet. I want to see if we can hold this level right here. I do like the setup though. New 15 an hour about to pop up. GJ rejected. So if it does keep on pushing, we're either going to again just wait for a BCR, or we'll just look for a buy here at 47.16. But we're looking for buys as long as we stay above 46.80, 46.78. Alright, let's see if we can get a retest here. I want to see if it goes a little bit lower. I'm liking this setup though. It looks like I might try to push. So right now we're just looking to see if it's either going to take off or it's going to retest. That's what we're looking at right now. Barely missed the retest price I was looking for. So we're either going to see it take off or we're going to look for the retest right here. But everything else ended up rejecting. But shout out to anyone that did get into this. But you know me, I like to wait for the retest. Yeah, so I ended up popping up in this. So we're gonna let this do its thing. Quick update on GU and GJ. This is what GU and GJ got going on. So yeah, we're in this gold setup right here. So this is the only setup we're gonna take. We might look for another setup going into New York session. Again, we do have 10 a.m. news, so do keep that in mind. So we're gonna see what 8 o'clock, 9:30's got in store for us, as well as 10 o'clock. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, y'all. Y'all see it scrolling at the bottom of y'all screen. Instagram Playmaker_Way, TikTok _Playmaker_Way_. Got some new posts lined up for y'all today. Also got a new video lined up for y'all on this channel today on YouTube. But yes, we're gonna let this thing play right now. We just hit TP1. We're about to see if we can hit TP2 right here. Appreciate those that like the live. Make sure to like the live and subscribe if you haven't already. We just hit 5,100 subscribers. Let's get to 5,200. So we're in a profit right now. We still got a little bit of work to do, but we're green right now. About to see if we can keep on pushing though. New 15 about to pop up in a little bit. Gold's still pushing. We're gonna be on for a little bit longer, y'all. But we're at TP3 right now. So let me show you where the next TP's at. So we still got a little bit of work to do, but we're nice and profit right now. It's the wrong color. There we go. Barely missed TP3. Got a new 5-minute about to pop up. So GJ did reject back down. So again, we could look for possible sells here. I'm looking at GBPJPY at 211.10, but it's a lot safer, and you'll have a higher probability, especially for the downtrend to continue, if we can BCR and maintain 210.75 as resistance. But sells are still valid. They're just like what GUs, like sells are still valid here, but I'd much rather look for sells down here. So we just gotta wait to see what New York and pre-New York got in store for us. So we're gonna wait to see how this 15 closes. So again, if y'all entered, if you don't know what the entry SL or the TPs are, join the Advanced Play Sitting Room. But if you're happy with your profits or don't know what price is doing, the last thing you want to do is let a winner turn to a loser, especially if you're happy with your profits and you don't understand what's going on. All right, y'all. But like always, you got any questions, you can drop in the chat. But we're gonna be on for a little bit longer, y'all. We're gonna be on for a little bit longer. Yeah, but depending on what how this candlestick closes, we're really gonna see price reject and try to retest this level, because we still haven't fully retested it, or we're gonna try to take this high out right here. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join a free signal, free Telegram, y'all. I got to update. I could do that right now. I got to do it though, but it's gonna be done tomorrow for sure. And let me know what y'all think about the new thumbnails. I got a lot of thumbnails I've been cooking up behind the scenes, so just switching it up. And then on my second channel, make sure to subscribe to the second channel, y'all. And in the comments, let me know what stocks and cryptos you want to see me do videos on. I'm still got some videos I'm gonna do regardless, but I also want to do shit y'all are looking at. So make sure to check that out as well. We'll wait to see how this next 5 pops up. Let's see if we can hit this next TP right here. New 5-minute about to pop up in a few seconds. New 15 about to pop up in about 5 minutes. Alright, y'all, so it goes pushing smoothly. Everything else is kind of just chilling. NAS keeps on flickering in and off this level right here. So we're gonna let go, keep on pushing, y'all. Again, if y'all don't know what the entry SL and TPs are, y'all know what to do. Either join the advanced play sitting room or just make sure to secure profits. Don't let a winner turn to a loser. Everybody should be up in this position right now. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been alive since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Join the free signal, free Telegram. What I'm about to do right now is finish editing some videos, knock those out before the day gets started. But yeah, so we're just gonna let this thing keep on pushing. Again, we do have news today at 10 a.m. All right, so make sure to keep that in mind. We do got news today at 10 a.m. Yeah, so we're gonna just let this push out. Got a new video dropping for you later on today as well, so make sure to catch it to the videos. All playlists are up to date. And yeah, we'll be back at the same time tomorrow, y'all. Peace, we out.